Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Former Bafana Bafana and Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper Itumeleng Khune has been trending with tweet, right? So I decided, no, let me listen to the whole interview. Ngamamela ama sound bites, nama clickbait, right? Interview was very interesting. He spoke about the family yakhe. He spoke about playing for the junior Kaizer Chiefs teams. He talked about the current generation. Hey, Washai. This current generation, hey, we shy. He spoke about Bafana Bafana. He spoke about his late friend Senzo Meio, right? But now the problem that I have with interview or Timati interview with some of the things that he spoke about. The problem is every generation thinks their generation is the best. You criticize the generation before you and you criticize the generation that's after you. Like you find abantu bazothi, this generation is lazy. Ithola yonke information on their phone. Tina, we used to walk miles to tell information ema-library. Like, okay, sharp, ufuna bayenzeni? You want them bayekela amafoni baye library to get the same information abazoyithola efonini. Niyangithola bafethu. Okay, let's have a listen to what he said, Itumeleng Khune. Some of the things that he said.
Just nowadays, players have a lot of distractions. Your social media players have invested with social media, so they are not footballers anymore. They are babizana.
Angazi mina ngimdala mina bafana ngizazi nami lezinto yabona my 15-year-old daughter yena ngitshela kathi
influencers.
Yabona ke
current players manje they don't care about their footballing career. That's why ngisho ukuthi you go.
So he says players now have a lot of distractions. Like every generation bafethu has a lot of distractions. That's because wena ukhule ifoni ingekho, right? Like our parents bakhule amafoni angekho, right? But they had their own distraction at the time, right? He says ukuthi the current generation don't care about football. Maybe right? Maybe he's right, but how do you measure ukuthi a player does not care about their careers? Again, even in his generation, you had a lot of players who didn't care about their careers. Every generation has those kind of players. That's why we shouldn't be criticizing wonke generation except your generation. Angazi ngiyangithola. Every generation inenkinga zayo. Now, he spoke about ukuthi ama players, they are not footballers, they are influencers. What is an influencer, right? What is an influencer? Just because you take pictures and you post them, it doesn't mean you're an influencer. Okay, sharp. Now let's go back. There was a time where Kaizer Chiefs introduced ukuthi players are not allowed to post anything except into the Kaizer Chiefs. Ask yourself, when did that start? Did it start with this generation, nedlala manje? The answer is no. It started in his generation. Who was trending the most social media in his generation? It was him. I'm not saying what he's wrong by pointing it out, but I think it's the wrong person to point it out because who was an influencer in his generation. The video rapper ingoma ka Jay-Z. It was Itumeleng Khune. The video spell apologies. It was Itumeleng Khune. Yes, I'm not saying good or wrong by pointing things out, but who was an influencer? Like if you think about the last year in his contract with Chiefs, he was suspended allegedly for coming to training drunk. In his generation, there were players who didn't care about their careers. Now, that's why I have a problem with a generation that will criticize each generation that's after them. Most yabo, yes, banomona, yes, abanye babo, they criticize fairly, which is a good thing, right? Which is a good thing. Just like at manje ku-Chiefs, there's no player that's in the Bafana squad, and that does not mean ukuthi the players abadlalela i-Chiefs manje don't care, because he says the players are not bothered. Like I said earlier, ukuthi he forgets or he's not aware ukuthi the generation adlale nayo yama-player ku-Chiefs were one of the best in the country. Manje ama-player we-Chiefs, even if you can say bajimedo for 1 year bangadlali any PSL game, right, doesn't mean ukuthi they'll reach that level. Like if there's a lot of Chiefs players, for me, they don't have that star or that superstar potential. That's why they will never reach level yabo Khune. That's why most of them won't play for Bafana Bafana, and it's not because they are not bothered or they don't care about ama career wabo, but all generations have bad players or have players who don't care about ama careers wabo. I just feel ukuthi the interview for me was to bash the current players ezidlalela i-Chiefs. The interview was done before the derby. It was not posted before the derby. It was posted a week after the derby. It was posted days after the fans decided to bash management. I'm not saying Guti management is involved in the video or the interview being posted late. I'm not saying that, but for me now, it's a question for me, Guti. Why was the interview not posted long time ago? Aside, but it was unfair for him, especially Ukhune, to hit the current Kaizer Chiefs players the way I was sharing a call.